This is Priyanshu and again available with the immaculating topic about IELTS. As my dear friend, as the last video was proposed about some tips and tricks on pronunciation and about the vocabulary. Well, this video is also related the pronunciation and the vocabulary topic. But in this video, we will be talking about the representative skill, the respective skill about the first module of IELTS, that is the listening. Well, my dear friends, first I would like to tell you that the IELTS test respective skill, the module number first, listening, contains the test of 40 to 60 minutes of the test, and this test has a different parts, and this video is not all about, not all have the access about what the knowledge you have. This test, the listening test, this all depends on your different kind of knowledge, not your specialist knowledge. For example, if you are from the academic category or whether you are from your general category, that doesn't matter. The listening part does not comes on your specialty knowledge. It does not have any access on your specialist knowledge, and that's why it is said that the listening module of general category and the academic category, they both are same at the same duration. About it may come with the same kind of topics with the two different categories of whether that is academic or whether that is the general, right? Well, if I tell you what kind of topics does they ask about, does they want to know more about for your test, well, their questions are mostly related and reliable according to your introduction ways. And for example, in your introduction you have said that about your families, about where do you live, about your famous personality, and many more things which you like to do, right? Then this all the IELTS listening test comes on your favorite personalities, about your hobbies, where do you live, why do you like your hobbies part. For example, if you like a candy, then why do you like the candy? These kind of questions does comes in the listening module, right? And if we move next, how can you prepare with this module and with this video? Well, you can prepare with the help of the video. For example, I will gonna share something words kind which will be telling you that these words can really help you while introducing a large sentence into a short sentence. Well, this thing which I have told in the last video, if you haven't watched the video, then there is an I button, you can press it over there and you can watch it. Let's move to the video. Well, the listening module always contains the parts which are related your personal blogs, okay? And you have to always use those kind of words which are always used in your daily life. And yes, also those kind of words which expresses a large sentence into a short term. For example, if you want to say that the person sitting over there is a fellow muse, it means that the person sitting over there is a lover of doing something special. But what did I used over here is called a philomuse. Well, this is a short-term word of a large sentence. These kind of words usually you have to add while listening, and while after listening, while you will be writing, then you have to keep this in your mind. And first of all, if you are listening at the time when the recording is being played, then you don't have to concentrate on what you have done yesterday, what will you do the next after listening. No, you have to only concentrate on the voice which is being played from the recorder. Okay, the recorder, that recorder is all about containing from a daily life conversations. For example, a person wants to go to London, okay, and a lady, we can say a lady consultant consulted that this airplane will go from this city to this city. Well, these kind of conversation between two people for a place, for having what to have in dinner, these kind of conversation comes in the listening module. Well, these kind of things, if you practice in the front of standing in front of the mirror, then you can really achieve a 9 band in listening module. Okay, well, this was a little video about listening module, but before that I would like to tell you that please be connected with us, because the upcoming videos will be really helpful for you for preparing for the IELTS. And in upcoming videos I will try to tell you that what kind of the topics usually being taken by the interviewers. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video as much as you can, write in the comment what kind of things you want the next, and yes, to subscribe the button, the red button, and press the bell icon. And yes, signing out, Priyanshu. Thank you.